Hey everybody, how are you? I'm here. Let me start with my first big announcement. My first big announcement is this. Today is Saturday, the 25th of August, 2018. My birthday is September 4th. So what I want to do is, for the next week, until next Saturday, everything I make, I am going to give away. So what you have to do is this. Be 18 years or older. You have to be a subscriber. You have to hit the like button, and you have to leave me a comment underneath the video. So on Saturday you have to do that. On Sunday you have to do that. Monday, Tuesday. So on every video you need to watch, hit, like, comment. All right? And you have to be in the United States. I can't ship overseas. I'm sorry. There's just too many things giving away this time. So anyways, I want to show you what I want to work on. I am kind of flying by the seat of my pants because, let me show you, I'm a little out of sorts. I cut these out on my Cricut. I designed them on my Cricut. And I'm going to use my Cuttlebug because I don't feel like moving my Gemini over here. So yesterday I went to the Scrapbooking Expo, and I'll link that video below, and I purchased this die. And this die is the penny slider card. So you slide something back and forth and it goes. And I decided I wanted to do something a Halloween theme. But I haven't tested it yet. So I thought maybe we can do it together. Alright, so it goes like this. So the die is for, the longer of the die is for that, and the shorter one is for the stand-up card. And this here is to cut out your dimensionals if you don't have them. But I have dimensionals. So what I think I'm going to do is, I am going to take a piece of paper. I'm going to open up my Cuttlebug, which I have not used in forever, which is so sad. So sad. Okay, so here are my two cards that I want to cut out. I'm going to line them up. And then I'm going to run them through the Cuttlebug. Oh, please let that come out okay. Oh, rats, I messed up that one. Okay, so this one worked. I'll print another one out of these, which I had to anyway because I didn't like those lines. Oh well, no big deal. Let's continue and see where we're at. So I was thinking of using a fluorescent orange, right? Fluorescent orange, and then I want to cut a piece of blackout. Blackout. This is what I'm thinking, right? How cute. And then this goes here. I used a different piece of paper for something else. So, you know what? That's not dimensional enough. Let me use some dimensionals. These are Dollar Tree dimensionals. And I love them. Love, love, love them. Actually, this one shouldn't be there. Let me put this one here. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so that should be plenty. But what I think I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm going to leave it just like that. Now I need, you know what I need? I think we need to cut out a dimensional. Let's see. Let's see. I'm thinking we should cut out a dimensional. Think we could do it? Wouldn't that be cool if we can do it? Let's see if we can do it. Okay, let's see. That's not the right sandwich. Wow, that's slippery slidey. Let's see. Okay. What's the chances of that had cut out? And it did! I want this to stay straight. So I'm going to peel it off, stick it on one of my pennies, and then I'm going to peel off my other penny, and I'm going to stick my penny like this. Can you see this? Look at how cute! Like that. And then that causes the slippery slidey thing. Oh my goodness. And I think a part of me wants to do this. I want to do this. I want to just raise the bottom up just a tad so that the penny slides really well. Because if you don't do that, then the penny gets stuck. Oh, I'm so excited. Except my sticky's not sticking. My sticky's not sticking. I think I have to get to Dollar Tree tomorrow and do a haul. I saw so many great new products out there. Yep. So many great new products. So this can be a Halloween card for a teacher, a friend. Yepper. Okay. Now the secret is to actually line it up right about there. All right, then my goal is, let me add some art glitter glue. Glue. I have wanted this silly die for so long. For so long. I don't know why I never purchased it. I just never did. Okay, then I cut out 2 different hitchhiking ghosts. I had to add a background to them so that it can sit on the penny. Now what I really should have done was measured out the dimension of a penny. I think I'm going to use that one. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to raise that up on a dimensional. Yay, I get to use dimensionals again. I love dimensionals. Love them. Love dimensionals. Oh my God. Look at that. I didn't think that I used... Oh God, I love it. Holy moly. I think I have to distress this just a little. Just with the black soot. What I should have done was, there it is. I'll distress it that way. Oh, loving this. Oh, how stinking cute. I can't stop playing with this. Okay, so now that I recut out this, we have to, now, let's just make sure that's my sandwich. I'm going to put this here. And we're going to use the smaller of the two. I'm going to line it up where I want it. Put my plate down, and I'm going to run it through my Cuddle Bug. Okay, everybody, so this is the 2 cards that I made for today. Please don't forget to watch tomorrow's video. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all real soon. Bye!